Welcome to my channel. In this video, we explore the amazing aspects of the logging industry, from powerful machines to cutting-edge technology. It's a comprehensive journey that you can't miss. Subscribe to our channel to enter the magical world of logging with us now. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. Komatsu 911.6, equipped with the powerful C123 head, operates with precision at the forest edge. Its robotic arm slices through massive trees effortlessly, cutting them into manageable logs. The sound of metal against wood resonates, showcasing the raw power of modern forestry technology. The John Deere 1110E, with its robust robotic arm, navigates deep into the forest. With rhythmic precision, it lifts colossal logs, carefully loading them onto transport vehicles. This is a display of strength and precision at its finest. In the heart of the forest, workers equipped with protective gear operate chainsaws to fell massive trees. Every motion is deliberate, with sparks flying as steel bites into the timber. A heavy-duty John Deere machine drags enormous logs across rugged terrain. Its tracks churn through mud, its engine roaring with relentless power, embodying the spirit of unstoppable machinery. Cedar wood is meticulously transformed into fine planks by the Foley Bell Saw A14 circular saw. Each cut is precise, turning raw logs into high-quality timber. Suspended high above the forest floor, workers equipped with safety ropes cut towering trees into segments. The precision and bravery of these experts are unmatched. The John Deere 1270G operates smoothly in the dense forest, cutting large trees with unmatched efficiency. Every movement is a testament to engineering excellence. In challenging wet forest conditions, the Logset 6F showcases its power and versatility, lifting heavy logs onto trucks with ease. The Easton-made 48C splits logs into small, uniform pieces, seamlessly feeding them onto conveyor belts for further processing. The Moorbark M20 are efficiently chips branches and large logs into fine sawdust, ready for industrial use. The Vermeer FT300 grinds massive stumps into fine sawdust, leaving a clean and level forest floor. The Hitachi Zaxxas 200, equipped with a sawtooth claw, uproots massive stumps within a minute, demonstrating raw efficiency. The classic Pete 359 truck hauls a full load of logs out of the forest, its engine growling and exhaust bellowing, a true icon of the timber industry.